Today we're showing you a 2013 Kubota L4060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Has a Kubota LA805 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 500 hours on it. It's a nice clean little unit yet. It does have a little bit of fading on the plastic pieces on the cowling around the dash and on the side here. Looks like it might have set out in the weather at some point in its life. The loader is slightly faded as well. The hood on the tractor is nice and bright. It does have the skid steer hookup here, bucket connection. The loader itself is also quick attach. It does have the R4 industrial tires, which are good. Hydrostatic transmission. You got the treadle pedal down below here for forward and reverse. Loader control molded right into the console there. Foldable ROPS. It's got the toolbox back here behind the SMV. Cat 1 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. It's got the stabilizer bars on both arms. I believe these tires are loaded for ballast as well, but might want to double check the listing on that. This is the Grand L series, so this is the fancier version of these tractors. It's got the full suspension seat for the operator, 3 ranges here to the side, and again it does have the hydrostatic transmission. Also have a little high-low up here that can be shifted on the fly. Tractor has advanced auto throttle, which is also a really nice feature. Brake pedal is here to the left. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.